Hi everyone, Unknown Unboxers back again with the most hot and anticipated product of the holiday season in 2019, the iPhone 11 Pro. What we have in our hands is a 256 GB black version. Let's dive right in and see what's in there. The moment I take the wrapper away, the box takes on its own form. It looks absolutely gorgeous. You can see the phone at scale, the graphic on the box itself. And again, there's a little edge, just like with the AirPods Pro that we saw earlier. Let's open it up. And look at that. The 3 cameras greet you right away as soon as you open the box. That's very distinct, very unique. Very, very stylish and extremely sophisticated. Let's flip this around. Let's try to turn it on. There's the Apple logo that's coming up. Hopefully it won't take too long for us to check out the display because there's a lot more that's inside the box that we'd like to dive into. Let's give it a few seconds. There you have it, the Hello logo. And the setup. Looks great. Let's see what else is in there. As always, there's a manual which has the design by Apple in California in there. There's a user manual, a little pin for you to bring out the SIM card, a manual, a quick reader, 1-pager, and a couple of Apple stickers for you to stick to your phone if you're so inclined. What else is in here? The headphones, the wired headphones that go into the USB outlet or the lightning outlet. The USB charger. But hey, look at the difference. It's a USB-C charger. That's where Apple is moving towards. If you see in the latest MacBooks as well, this is the outlet and that's where they want to head. And here's a lightning to a USB-C cable. So what's the $1,300 question? Is the phone really worth it? For the price? For true Apple fanboys like myself? Absolutely. It's a great deal. And it's a very unique phone out there. But hey, the A13 chip is on the iPhone 11 as well. So a more pragmatic opinion or pragmatic suggestion would be the iPhone 11 is something that you should seriously consider. But if you really like the compact size and the way it feels in your hands, this is a terrific option. Thank you for watching. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe, and provide your comments and suggestions on what else you'd like to see.